again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video. Super quick, easy bit of nail art today. So I got sent these from Kiki London. I wasn't going to put the video out. I have already put posts out on my Instagram and Facebook a couple of days ago. But I thought, you know, just put it out. It's super quick, super easy design. So these are the decals from Kiki London for the King's Coronation. I love these. These could be used all year round as well. These pink ones, I'm definitely going to do a pink set. They could be used all year round, couldn't they? Those first two, definitely, you could use them all year round. I love the black and white Union Jack as well. I think that's really cool. I think this last one, mostly just for the King's Coronation. I used the one there that says Long Live the King. But I think this little crown you could definitely use on a few different sets. But those first two, yeah, I love them. And I think I'm going to do a couple more sets with those, definitely. So they're available now at Kiki London. I think if you ordered them, you might get them for Friday. Not sure. But I was going to do it on my practice hand with these short tips. But they kept falling out. So I've stuck them on my tip display stand. And I'll put them on my hand once I've finished for some pictures. So I'm using my Kiki London ombre brush. Really, really soft brush. It's a really good one. And I'm using coconut, which is one of Kiki London's whites. So I'm just going to do like a baby boomer. Yeah, baby boomer. So I'm putting the white at the bottom of the tip. Really, really good white, that is. It's really, really opaque. It's a good one. And then I'm using a pink at the top of the nail. And then I'm just going to use that ombre brush and just swipe side to side, side to side, like that. Don't worry about your first coat looking patchy. It will look patchy. Just stick it in the lamp anyway, and your second coat will cover all that patchiness, and you'll have a beautiful ombre. So just keep playing about with it until you're happy with it. And these gels cure in the lamp for 30 seconds. Yeah, there, I just wiped my brush off. If it gets a bit bulky on your brush, just use a lint-free wipe and wipe it off. So that's been cured in a lamp, and I'm just going to give it a quick second coat. So this is going to be the pointer finger, and I'm going to do exactly the same on the ring finger, but I'll do that off camera. It's exactly the same. I've got a 10% discount code for Kiki London as well, guys. I'll leave it in my description box, or it will be on the screen. Yeah, I wasn't going to put this video, I wasn't going to edit this video. I've just not had time. But I found a little 10 minutes this afternoon, and I thought, yeah, we'll put it out, because you don't have to use these kind of decals. This design, you could use any decals you wanted. You could use flowers, anything. I just think it's a really nice, easy nail art that most of you could smash easily. Right, so these last two nails are just going to be full coat of white. These decals do have to go on a white background. They don't have to, but you see the colours so much better when they're on a white background. So I've gave them two really thin coats. I've just showed you doing one, but I have done two really thin coats. Right, so that is all my base colours down now. So I'm going to use two of these triangle Union Jacks. And always cut your decals out as close to the actual image as you can get. And just stick them in some water for just 20-30 seconds. And I'm going to cut out this Long Live the King one as well. Yeah, 20-30 seconds. Or you can put them straight on your stamper and just dampen it whilst it's on your stamper. But I've done it this way. So put it face down on your stamper and just slide the backing off like that. So easy, decals. And I'm going to put these ones on the tips. I thought these looked really smart on these little tiny stiletto tips. I really liked how they turned out. Just like that. And I've stuck them onto the gel polish tacky layer. You do need some sort of tacky layer to get them to lay flat. So I've just put them on gel polish tacky layer. Or you could use a base coat tacky layer. But yeah, you definitely need a tacky layer to get them to stick down really flat. So that one's going to go on there. And then I'm going to use some of the little bunting ones to stick on the pinky. And if you can see any little creases at the sides, use a silicone tool or your finger and get all them creases out. Because if you get any top coat under that crease, it's going to lift your decal and you're going to see it. So yeah, just use a silicone tool and make sure you've got them decals completely flat. So there we go guys, that's then pretty much done. So I'm using the Kiki London no wipe top coat, and can you see I like to seal my decal in first before I swipe over that whole nail. So I start in like the middle of the decal with my top coat, and I'll just seal all the edges of that decal, can you see, like that, and then I'll wipe over it. I'm just always scared of pulling top coat under that decal and having to do it again. So yeah, just seal it in and then swipe over it. So there we go, that is them done. So quick, so easy. And like I said, you could do this design with any decals, spring flowers, summer flowers, all sorts. Even these decals, like I said, I really want to use these black and white Union Jack ones, and these little cute pink ones. I think they're going to be really cute in a set. Definitely got to do something with them. And Kiki London's got lots more decals to choose from, so definitely head over and check them out, and don't forget to use my discount code, get yourself 10% off. Anyway guys, that is it for today. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Take care, bye.